Right, good morning. Not such a pleasant day today. It's raining and it's going to rain all day pretty much. So we are just pottering around this morning, aren't we? We're going to do some well, we were going to do some painting and then realised we haven't got the rollers.
I've done a little bit already.
Yeah, you've done a
I'll
little
show
bit,
you.
yeah.
I'll show you. Nothing exciting, but just put some blue on there and on the door. Yeah.
So that's that. And I'm just going to... I just had an idea down here at the electric cupboard door and the door that goes to, if you like, the wet locker, whatever you want to call it, where the chlorifier is and stuff. We've got the doors to put back on here, and we were just coming up with what we want to put on there for securing it. So my initial thought was just magnetic catches and a small handle on there, but as Ali quite rightly said, we don't really want to have a handle on this door here because it's going to get hit. You're going to hit it and knock it and break it, whatever. So I think what we're going to do is go down the route of like a push catch, so there won't be a handle. You just sort of push it
and we're doing that on both sides.
I think we might as well, mightn't we? What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
could do.
We'll do the same on this one as well, and then there's no handle in the way. So we're going to look at doing that, but we've got to go out and get them because we haven't got anything here.
I was going to paint the ceiling, but we haven't got any rollers.
So yeah, we hadn't really planned that it was going to be such a bad day today. So we'd sort of had our plans of doing everything outside. So we didn't do a very good job of planning it was going to be like this. But nevertheless, we had already decided that we were going to go over to Bronston, didn't we? Mm-hmm. So we're going to do that anyway this morning now because the weather's rubbish. So we're going to go over there, pick some bits and pieces up. We'll pick up the necessary bits that we've been talking about just now. And the other thing is...
You wanted to have a look at, over in Midland Chandler's, you were talking about possibly buying some fenders, is it?
Oh yeah, I was looking at the bow and stern fenders. And they've got a bit of an offer on, haven't they, this weekend?
They've got 15% off this weekend, yeah.
I think we might bite the bullet and just get them this weekend. Possibly the tiller arm and the handle and the pin. Might get them as well while we're there. Was there something else as well?
Yeah, we were going to, what I'm thinking of doing where we've got this recess here is I think I'm going to paint it the stiff key blue or Stokey blue. So Lee's going to loosen those, and you wanted to cut some more holes in here, didn't you?
Yeah, I've got to cut out for the light switch for the galley, so for coming in. But as you'll probably see in there's not a lot of room.
No.
For the back section. I ideally want it up in this corner, but yeah. I'm not sure I'm going to have the clearance. I'm going to have a look at it. Just going to measure it. Yeah. I'd like it to be sort of up and over here, over in that corner over there. Is my plan, but I'm not sure we'll be able to. We're going to have down here will be the engine control panel. And I'm toying with having separate bilge pump switches on here, but I don't know yet. I'm decided.
Yeah, we'll decide that as we go.
Yeah,
and then I think we're picking up Dave later, aren't we? We're going out for dinner with Dave.
Yeah.
So that'd be nice. He's just been over in France. So yeah, it'd be nice to catch up with him. So let's crack on. Unfortunately, I don't think it's going to fit.
I might be able to get it right tight up in this corner.
Right, yeah.
Might be able to do that. I've just got to see what's the height clearance we got there. So if we've said it's going to be about there, isn't it? 35 that way, isn't it? No. 70, aren't we? Oh, morning.
Oh, he's excited because he thinks he might get that in there.
I might just go in that corner. Far out. Oh, we've got to come from that panel.
Is it not going to work then?
I don't think so.
Oh, it's a shame. Where could it go then? Okay, so first coat's on there now. I think it's a good idea having it blue. Because it's bound to get finger marks on it. I've also put a second coat on these doors and also a second coat on here. So I think that looks better because it's going to make the nice work surface pop out rather than have it white. So we're going to go and brave the weather now. We're going to buy things, yeah. We'll brave the weather for buying things. So we're going to pop out, have a shower and go and do some shopping. Okay, we're just leaving, where are we?
Bronston Marina.
Bronston Marina, as you can see over there. We've just been to, what's
Treadline Ropes.
Yeah, Treadline Ropes.
Oh, they're so good. They're
fantastic. I would really recommend them.
Yeah. If you've ever got any questions, or even if you haven't got any questions, you just want to buy ropes and what have you, go there. They are so knowledgeable and so good. Really explain everything, especially if you're a novice like us.
Yeah.
They explained everything, all the little details and stuff that you wouldn't necessarily think of being a novice. But
I know there was a couple of things that they couldn't make our fenders for us, could they?
Not the
front and back,
ones,
yeah. So they've just got a massive waiting list for those. So, but they told us which ones to get and where to get them from.
Yeah, and also said that if we had an issue fitting them, they'd give us advice on if we needed extra fittings or extra chain or whatever. So
highly recommend them.
Very, very highly recommended.
Really pretty around here. So, where are we off to? Midland Chandlers now?
Yeah, Midland Chandlers now, so it's just up the road. So yeah, we're going to do that now. What's that one then?
Well, we're back now, and Lee's very excited with his new bits.
Lots of things, haven't we?
What have you got?
So we have, again, as we said before, we went to Treadline Ropes in Bronston Marina. Really good.
Very good service.
Yeah, absolutely. So what we've got ourselves are 2 centre lines, ropes obviously.
What size were they?
They're 12 metres.
Yeah.
And then we've got 2, so we've got one for the bow, one for the stern ropes, 10 metres. So we've got those. Then we got the shackles, haven't we, for those to fit on. Well, we got the shackles to fit for the bow V top fender and the long button fender,
which we've obviously ordered from Midland Chandlers, haven't we?
We was going to get them made by Treadline, but unfortunately their waiting list is so long. So we spoke to them about it, and they said, "Oh look, we're not going to have time." So we've gone to Midland Chandlers, got those, and they had a little bit of promotion on, didn't they? So we got them a bit cheaper. So we got those ordered, but they didn't have them in stock. And then we thought we better get the tiller arm as well, which again they didn't have the brass one that we wanted, did they, in stock? But we did manage to get the.
Well, we ordered it though, didn't we?
Yeah,
We're picking it up.
We've ordered all those, and they'll be in next time that we come up. Then we got the handle, which we got the plain one, and we're going to use the stain and varnish that
that we've used for
that
the
we
doors.
used for on here, so that will obviously look like that.
Yeah.
And then we got the brass tiller pin, haven't we? So that's all going to look really nice. Yeah, it'll look nice against that, won't it?
Yeah, very nice.
So we got those.
I think that was about it, wasn't it?
Yeah. And we just got ourselves some undercoat, didn't we? Primer undercoat for the roof.
Yeah,
We're
which
going to
we'll
touch up in areas.
we'll start tomorrow.
If we get a chance to, we'll
Yeah.
do that, won't we? Oh, and the other fenders that we've ordered for Tradline as well, haven't we? The side fenders.
Yes.
They're going to make them for us, aren't they? Because they don't
Yes.
have enough in stock for
Yeah.
us. So we're going to pick 4 of those up as well next time we're up.
In a couple of weeks,
Yeah.
And we've spoken to Dave. We went out for dinner with Dave, and we
Yeah.
spoke to him about helping us with the bow thruster.
Yeah.
So we'll be doing a vlog on that hopefully next time we're up.
Yeah, that's from the cable side of stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
For the bow thruster and setting all that up. So we're going to do that together.
Yeah.
I think that's everything, isn't it, that we went out today to do. Got a few painting bits and pieces, didn't we, that we need. Yeah, so that's been quite a productive day. Although we haven't done loads on the boat, it's been a productive day in getting stuff organised and paid for and ordered. So that's good. Yeah, so I think that wraps this one up. Short and sweet, I think.
We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers now, so if you haven't already subscribed, please do, because
that would be nice to get us to 1,000. That would be a nice little milestone for us.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you would like to subscribe, it is free. There's no obligations or anything. So yeah, please do.
And a massive shout out to Darren and Julie.
Yeah, we met them yesterday, and they've just had a boat. You've just turned the TV on.
Oops. Yeah.
Yeah, we met them yesterday, and we went to see their new boat, which is looking lovely, over in the marina at North Kilworth, and they're super excited to get on their way, which they did last night. Yeah, it's really nice to have a chat and have a little look at their boat, wasn't it?
Was lovely people, lovely little dogs.
Yeah. So no doubt we shall be bumping into them again soon, I'm sure. So yeah, on that note, we'll leave it there, and we will see you again soon.
Bye.